So let's begin today's class. All of you open page number 67. Open page number 67. Self-practice 5B. In yesterday's class, we have covered up to question number 6. Now, today we will solve remaining questions. Question number 7. In question number 7, divisor is 43 and dividend is 36,591. In rough work, we will write the table of divisor. What is the divisor here? What is the divisor here? What is the divisor here? Yes, 43. So, first of all, I will write the table of 43. Forty-three ones are 43. 43 twos are 86. 43 threes are 129. 43 fours are 172. 43 fours are 215. 43 six are 258. 43 sevens are 301. 43 eights are 344. 43 nines are 387. 43 tens are 430. Right? Now we will start solving. First of all, copy down the question. Okay. Now start comparing the divisor, and as the divisor is of 2 digits, so we will take left most 2 digits of the dividend. Now compare both. Here the divisor is 43 and the left most 2 digits are 36. It is smaller than divisor. We cannot divide, so we will choose now 3 digits to divide. So you will divide 365 by 43. Now in how many times you can divide? Look at the table. 43. I think in 8 times we can divide. 43 eights are 344. Now as we know that division is repeated subtraction, so we will perform subtraction. Subtract 344 from 365. After subtraction, our result is 21. Now compare this result with divisor. Result is smaller than divisor. We cannot divide, so we will bring down 9. Now our new number is 290, which is greater than divisor. Now it is divisible. Now look at the table of 43. In how many times you can divide? I think in 5 times. 43 5s are 215. Now subtract 219 minus 215. Result is 4. 4 is smaller than 43. We cannot divide, so we will bring down 1. Now your number is 41. Again, it is not divisible by divisor because it is smaller than divisor. And there is no digits left in the dividend. So we will stop our division here. Now write quotient and remainder. As 41 is not divisible by 43, we will put 1 0 in the quotient part. So our quotient is 850 and remainder is 41. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now question number 8. In question number 8, divisor is 19 and dividend is 43,985. In rough work, first of all, we will write the table of 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114, 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 152, 19 nines are 171, 19 tens are 190. Now we will start solving. First of all, copy down the question. Okay. Now divisor is of, in divisor, the number of digits are 2. So we will choose the leftmost 2 digits of the dividend. Now compare both of them. The leftmost 2 digits are greater than divisor. It means we can divide. Now check the table of 19. How many times you can divide? In how many times you can divide 43 by 90? Look at the table. I think in 2 times. 19 twos are 38. Now subtract 38 from 43. Yes, 5 is left. Now compare divisor and this 5. Divisor is greater than result. It is not divisible. So what we will do, we will bring down the digit from the dividend. Now your number is 59. Right? It is greater than divisor. Now we can divide. Yes, Rashri, 19 threes are 57. So we will write 3 in quotient part. Now subtract 57 from 59. What will left? Yes, 2 will left. Now compare divisor and this number. Compare divisor and this result. This result is smaller than divisor. It means we cannot divide anymore. So for division, we will write down 8 here. Okay, now your number is 28, which is greater than division. Now we can divide in 1 time. 19 ones are 19. Now we'll subtract. After subtraction, what is left? 28 minus 90. 9 is left. Okay. Now compare divisor and this 9. Not divisible as it is smaller than divisor. 9 is smaller than divisor. So again we will bring down the next digit from the dividend. Bring down 5 here. Now your number is 95. Now divide 95 by 90. In how many times you can divide? Look at the table and identify. In how many times you can divide this? Yes, in 5 times. Charvil and Atharva both are correct. In 5 times. 19 5s are 95. Now subtract 95 minus 95. 0 is left. Now write the quotient and remainder. Quotient is 2315 and remainder is 0. Now all the students should take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Can I clear board? Now next question. Question number 9. In question number 9, what is the divisor? What is divisor in question number 9? Divisor is 24. 24 is divisor. So we will require the table of 24 to solve with this question. And dividend is 7204. First of all, let me write the table. 24, 48, 72, 96, then 120, 144, 168, 192, 216 and 214. Now to solve this question, we will copy down the question as it is. Now compare. Divisor is of 2 digits, so we will choose the leftmost 2 digits of the dividend. Now try to identify how many times you can divide 72 by 24. Very good. In 3 times we can divide. 24 3s are 72. So 3 we will write in the quotient part. Now subtract 72 minus 72. What is left? 0 is left. Now we know that the 0 is smaller than 24. It means it is not divisible. If the number is not divisible, we will write 0 in quotient part. Now again bring down the next digit, which is 0. Now your number is 0, 0, 0. Again this 0, 0, 0 is not divisible by 24. So what we will do? We will put 1 0 in quotient part. If the number is not divisible by divisor, what will be the quotient? Quotient will be 0. Now bring down 4. Now 4 is smaller than 24, so 4 is remainder here. We cannot further divide. What is the quotient and what is remainder? Quotient is 300 and remainder is 4. Let us solve question number 10. Question number 10. Divisor is 13 and dividend is 53621. We will require here table of 13. In rough work, I am writing table of 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130. Now to solve, first of all, our first step should be copy down the question. Now check, the divisor is of 2 digits. So we will choose the leftmost 2 digits from the dividend. Compare these. This number is greater than divisor, so we can divide. Now in how many times you can divide 53 by 13? In 4 times. 13 fours are 52. Now subtract 52 from 53. 1 is left. Now 1 is smaller than divisor, we cannot divide. So bring down the next digit, which is 6. Now the 16 is divisible in 1 time. 13 ones are 30. Subtract both the numbers. 16 minus 13. What will left? Yes, 3 will left. Now compare divisor and this number. 3 is smaller than divisor. It means we cannot divide. Now again we need to bring down the next digit, which is 32. Now number is 32. Divide 32 by 13. In 2 times we can divide. 13 twos are 26. Now subtract 26 from 32. 6 is left. Again this 6 is smaller than divisor. So bring down the last digit from the dividend. Now your number is 61. Divide 61 by 13. According to me, we can divide it in 4 times. 13 fours are 52. Now subtract 52 from 61. 9 is left. Now we need to stop our division as no digits left in the dividend. And 9 is smaller than divisor. So we will stop division here. Write quotient and remainder. Quotient is equals to and remainder is equal to. Quotient is 4124 and remainder is 9. Now take a screenshot. Have you taken a screenshot? I am asking to all of you. Okay, now I'm going to clear the board. See, in a self-practice 5B, there are total 15 questions. Out of 15, we have solved 10 questions. Now, question number 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 are homework. Try to solve these 5 questions by yourself. Note down the homework. Understand? Now we will see 3 rules to perform the next exercise. Suppose you are having a number 489. For example, you are having a number 489 and your task is to divide this number by 10. Then there is a rule. First of all, try to divide this number by 10. And how many times you can divide? See, divisor is of 2 digits, so you need to choose the leftmost 2 digits to divide. Now, in how many times you can divide? Yes, in 4 times. 10 fours are 40. Now subtract 40 from 48. Subtract 40 from 48. 8 is left. Now this 8 is smaller than divisor. We cannot divide. So bring down 9. ये लिखना नहीं है, जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल है, रूल है, मैं एक्सप्लेन करना चाह रही हूँ कुछ, तो अभी जस्ट आप समझोगे क्या बता रहे हैं. अभी कुछ लिखना नहीं है, जस्ट लुक एट द बोर्ड. Now divide. 10 8s are 80. Now subtract 80 from 89. When we subtract 80 from 89, our result is 9. Now 9 is smaller than 10. No digit is left in the divisor, so we will stop division here. Now quotient and remainder. Quotient is 48 and remainder is 9. Let's take one more example. Suppose you are dividing 3115 by 10. First of all, we will arrange it in standard form of division. Now I'm start dividing. 10 3s are 30. 31 minus 30. 1 is left. 1 is smaller than 10. Bring down the next digit. Now the next number, new number is 11, which is greater than 10. We can divide it in one time. 10 ones are 10. 11 minus 10, 1 is left. 1 is smaller than divisor, we cannot divide. So bring down the next digit, which is 5. Your new number is 15. It is 15 is greater than divisor, we can divide it in one time. 10 ones are 10. Now 15 minus 10, what is left? 5 is left. 5 is smaller than 10. No digit is left in the dividend. So we will stop division here. Now identify what is the Q and what is the R here. Q is, Q क्या है? इस वाले एग्जाम्पल में Q क्या है? What is Q? Yes, 311. And what is R? What is R? Yes, 5 is remainder. Now there is a rule. On dividing any number by 10. देखो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल को पहले देखो. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल को देखो. What was the dividend? I am writing the dividend here. Dividend was 849. Now quotient को देखो. Quotient क्या है? 48. 48 quotient है और remainder क्या है? 9 remainder है. So whenever you divide a number by 10, देखो 10 में कितना जीरो है? 10 में कितने जीरो है? 1 जीरो है. तो जो भी नंबर दिया है, अगर आप कोई भी नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो तो उसकी जो वंस प्लेस होगी वो आपका रिमाइंडर होगा और जो बाकी बचे हुए जो नंबर है वो क्या हो जाएंगे? क्वोशंट हो जाएंगे. जो वंस प्लेस में नंबर है वो क्या हो जाएगा? रिमाइंडर. और जो रेस्ट ऑफ द नंबर है वो क्या हो जाएंगे? क्वोशंट हो जाएंगे. यहाँ भी देखो क्वोशंट है, रिमाइंडर है और मैं डिविडेंड लिख रही हूँ. डिविडेंड है था आपका 3115. तो यहाँ भी क्या हुआ? देखो 5 क्या है? जो वंस प्लेस में 5 है वो क्या है? रिमाइंडर है. और 311 क्या है? क्वोशंट है. तो आप क्या इसको डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो विदाउट परफॉर्मिंग दिस लार्ज डिवीजन प्रोसेस. सपोज आई एम गिविंग यू अ नंबर 392 डिवाइड बाय 10. क्विकली राइट द Q एंड R. यू आर डिवाइडिंग दिस नंबर बाय 10. सो जो वंस प्लेस में डिजिट है वो क्या होगा? रिमाइंडर होगा. क्विकली राइट क्वोशंट. What will be the quotient here in this? Yes, 2 will be the remainder. And what will be the quotient? What will be the quotient? Yes, 39 will be quotient. So this is the rule. जब भी आप किसी नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो, so जो उसकी वंस प्लेस होगी, जो भी गिवन नंबर है, जो भी डिविडेंड है, उसका वंस प्लेस क्या होगा? रिमाइंडर होगा. And the rest of the digits, rest of the number will be quotient. Is this rule clear to you? Now open page number 69, self practice 5C. Look at the question number 1. Self practice 5C on page number 69. Question number A. 45 divide by 10. आपको क्वेश्चन लिखना है, रिमाइंडर लिखना है. बताइए 10 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो आप इस नंबर को. क्वेश्चन विल बी 10 से आप 45 को डिवाइड कर रहे हो. क्वेश्चन विल बी, देखो यहाँ पे 5 रिमाइंडर होगा. मैंने बोला वंस प्लेस क्या होगी? रिमाइंडर होगी. और जो बच गया वो क्या है? क्वोशंट है. Now look at question number B. 595 divide by 10. Write quotient and write remainder. So you are dividing by 10. जो वंस प्लेस है नंबर की, वंस प्लेस है वो क्या है? रिमाइंडर है. And the rest of the question number will be quotient. Now look at the question number C. 2567 divide by 10. Quickly write quotient. Very good, Kanishka. 256 will be the quotient. Yes, Atharv is correct. And remainder will be 7. Is it clear? देखो यहाँ पे आपको पूरा एक्चुअल डिवीजन परफॉर्म करना ही नहीं पड़ा. इफ यू रिमेंबर द ट्रिक, if you remember the rule, you can quickly write the quotient and remainder without performing actual division. Take a screenshot. इसको बस आपको इतना ही लिखना है, ऐसे ही लिखना है. No need to perform actual division. Take a screenshot. Have you taken a screenshot? Okay. Now suppose you are dividing a number. Suppose you are having a number and you are dividing this number by 100. So again a rule is there. In 100 there are two zeros, so the last two digits of the number will be remainder and the remaining digits will be quotient. Last two digits will be remainder. So now tell me what is the quotient and what is the remainder here. Very good, Rajshri and Athar. 89 will be quotient and 42 will be remainder. Yes, Shervil correct, Athar correct. Do you got the rule? How to divide a number by 100? In 100, the last two digits are 0. So the last two digits of the dividend will be remainder and the remaining digits of the quotient will be quotient. So let's solve question number D, E and F. Question number D is 489 divided by 100. See, if you are dividing the number by 100, then last two digits will be remainder. So 89 will be remainder here and 4 will be quotient. Question number E, 6065 divided by 100. As I told you, if you are dividing by 100, then last two digit of the dividend will be remainder and the rest of the digits will be quotient. Question number F, 47,894 divided by 100. As I told you the rule, if you are dividing by 100, then last two digit of the dividend will be remainder. So 94 will be the remainder and 478 will be quotient. Now try to solve question number G. Try to solve question number G. In question number G, you have to divide the number by 1000. देखो 1000 में कितने जीरो है? 3 0. So the last three digits of the dividend will be remainder. So 942 will be remainder and 8 will be quotient. Question number 8, 80452 divide by 1000. 1000 में कितने जीरो है? 1 2 3 3 0 है. So last three digit of the number will be remainder. 452 will be remainder and 80 will be quotient. Question number I, 645,312 divide by 1000. Quotient and remainder. In 1000, there are 1, 2, 3 zeros. 3 zeros, so the last 3 digits of the number will be remainder. And the remaining number will be quotient. Now you can take a screenshot. Question number 1 has completed here. You can take a screenshot. That's all for today. Now we will meet tomorrow. Bye all of you. I hope the rule is clear to you all. We will meet tomorrow. Bye everyone.